Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
The idea of unlimited gems in Brawl Stars sounds incredible, doesn't it? Who wouldn't want to instantly unlock every brawler, every skin, and all the exciting content without spending a dime? It's a tempting thought, a vision of endless power and customization right at your fingertips. Many players search online for this very dream, hoping to find that magic trick. This guide will clarify the truth about these claims and show you how to truly thrive. Let's be absolutely clear. There is no legitimate method, no secret code, and no hidden trick to get truly unlimited gems in Brawl Stars. Any website, video, or app promising this is a scam, plain and simple. These deceptive methods aim to steal your account information, infect your device with malware, or trick you into spending real money on fake services. Supercell explicitly prohibits these activities, and engaging with them risks your account being permanently banned. While unlimited gems are a myth, you can definitely earn a good amount of them legitimately within the game. Your best bet is always the Brawl Pass. Even the free track provides some gems, but purchasing the pass guarantees a substantial return, often enough to buy the next season's pass too. Keep an eye out for special in-game challenges and events. Sometimes, these offer gems as rewards for skilled play or completing specific objectives successfully. Becoming a smart gem strategist means thinking ahead. Instead of spending gems as soon as you get them, save up for the best value purchases. The Brawl Pass offers the most bang for your buck, providing numerous rewards alongside gems. Consider waiting for specific brawler skins or special offers that truly enhance your experience. Resist the urge to buy small bundles or individual big boxes, as these usually don't yield as much value as a well-planned, larger investment in the game. Ultimately, safeguarding your Brawl Stars account should be your top priority. Do not fall for tempting unlimited gem schemes. They are designed to compromise your data. Always keep your Supercell ID private and never enter your login details on unofficial websites. Download Brawl Stars exclusively from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to guarantee you're playing a secure and authentic version. Play fair, play smart, and enjoy the game safely, securing your progress for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.